Okay guys, we're going to solve question number 4 here. So the first thing we're going to do is see if our divisor 4, how many times it goes into our dividend 52. To do that, we're going to make it simpler by breaking 52 apart into tens and ones. So step 1 is divide. Can 4 go into 5? And it can go into 5 one time. We are going to multiply 1 times 4, which is 4. We're going to subtract, and we have 1 remainder in the tens place, and then we're going to bring down the 2. Once we bring down, we repeat and go all the way back to division again, and we need to see, now we've got 12 here, and we need to see how many times 4 goes into 12. Well, 4 goes into 12 3 times. That's our division step. We're going to multiply 3 times 4. That's our next one. The number we just wrote down for our division step, which was 3. Multiply that by 4, which is 12. Next comes subtraction. And once I get to a point where there's nothing left to bring down, we're done. Our quotient is 13 with no remainder.